You may think shaving is as good as it's ever gonna get, that an uncomfortable shave full of cuts and skin irritation is the norm, or that there's nothing to be done about the 2 billion razor blades thrown in landfills every year. At BLADEMAX, we set out to change that with a revolutionary patented liquid solution and dispensing system that works to clean and store your razor blades, making them last longer and getting you your smoothest, closest shave. The reality is that razor blades don't have to dull nearly as quickly as we all think they do. Not only does improper storage affect your razor, but they accumulate mineral buildup that creates an uneven surface, making for an uncomfortable shaving experience and prompting people to replace their blades. Given the hundreds of dollars people spend on replacement cartridges every year, you can imagine that razor brands aren't in any hurry to innovate. And until now, there weren't any real alternatives. But with BLADEMAX's patented solution and dispensing storage system, the mineral buildup and bacteria left behind by tap water and shaving cream are lifted from the blade surface. And because the BLADEMAX dispensing system was designed to be compatible with any razor brand, cleaning is as easy as setting your favorite razor in the dispenser and letting the solution go to work. BLADEMAX can make your razor last up to 6 times longer. That means more money in your pocket and less damage to the environment, all while keeping your skin smoother and healthier than ever before. Shave longer, shave better, shave the way you're supposed to. BLADEMAX. Pre-order now on Kickstarter.